What's up everybody and welcome to the video. So in today's video I just wanted to quickly talk about what Executive Mafia is and how it works and everything, because I just implemented the toolbox here inside Instagram University a few days ago, and people have been asking me questions about Executive Mafia. So yeah, Executive Mafia, what it basically is, it's an engagement group that will help you to basically make your posts go viral, right? So what an engagement group is that, and I've been using that group for over 2 years now, and it has completely changed my Instagram game. Like at the beginning, when 3.5 years ago or something, or 2 years, 2.5 years ago, no, Executive Mafia, I've been using it for 2 years, more than 2 years. I started using it in 2017 and 2018. I started an Instagram account with a friend, like we did like a cooperation and stuff like that. Before that, he had no idea about Instagram. I gave him a few strategies. He started posting, and I told him, yo, go use Executive Mafia. I bought the engagement group for him, like I paid for it for him because he didn't have the money at that point, and because I knew that it's so powerful, right? And he started using the engagement group Executive Mafia on the Instagram account, and we posted a video. And in the first hour, the video got like 1,000 views, and 2,000. At that point, the account had like 5,000 followers. But then it got like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, and the video went up to like 300,000 views, and it was 700,000 impressions. And just that video alone got that account over 10,000 followers, or like throughout the time where the video got so many views, we grew 10,000 followers, and that's totally crazy. And that's basically what Executive Mafia does. Okay, Executive Mafia, to sum it up, helps you to get followers. Okay, to explain a little bit more about it, what it does is it gives you early engagement. That means in Executive Mafia, there's lots of big accounts with hundreds of thousands of followers, from the business niche, from the fitness niche, personal brands, just everything, right? And what happens is, if you post something and if you join an engagement round, then all these big people, big pages will comment on your post, and they will like your posts. And by that, Instagram will see, oh, that post is pretty cool. And they will be like, wow, so many people like the post. So many big pages like the post, and then they will take your post and push it to the hashtags if you use the right hashtags. And they will push that post to the Explore page, and that's how you can get hundreds of new followers each and every single day. Like one of my students, for example, the pages, or like one of the pages that one of my students has, or had, now it's actually mine, but he started like 2 years ago or something. The page is Money Focus, and has like 600,000 followers, and he started the page, as you can see, like 88 weeks ago, right? Had 0 followers. 1 week later, 1,000 followers. 3 weeks later, 2,000 followers. Another week later, 5,000 followers. 2 weeks later, 10,000 followers. Another week later, 15,000 followers. Then 2 weeks later, 30K. 3 weeks later, 50K. Another like 5 weeks later or something. 6 weeks later, 100K. Boom. Boom. And that happens through early engagement. He was growing like 2,000 followers per day. But then, at the end of 2019, he wasn't that motivated anymore to grow the page. But now I'm managing the page. Like I'm working on the strategy with two friends right now. But yeah, that's basically what Executive Mafia does. Okay, that page went from 0 to 600,000 in less than 2 years, in 1.5 years or something, and it was growing like 2,000 followers per day. Okay, and that's what Executive Mafia does. It gives you early engagement, and by that, your Instagram account will explode. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to introduce to you what Executive Mafia is, and we will talk about early engagement, all that cool stuff in Instagram Secrets 2. Key number 2, early engagement. And for those of you who want to join, it has a little fee, but yeah, that's what Executive Mafia basically is, and you can also make money with it, so it's pretty cool, right? So just click the golden button if you want to get it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the live call, and I will see you inside the next video.